Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your country on the Dominoes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen and tap to the edit profile button. In the country section you can find the different flags and just select one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.